In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize 20x30 paper size in AutoCAD. If you need to plot a drawing at 20 by 30 inches and can't find that size in your device's default list, creating a custom paper size is the way to go. We'll do this entirely through the plot dialog, and I'll point out a few tips to make sure your setup prints cleanly and at the correct scale. First, open the plot dialog. You can press Ctrl+P on your keyboard, or type plot in the command line and press enter. This is where all printing and plotting settings live. Next, choose the printer or plotter you plan to use from the name dropdown. This is important because custom paper sizes are device specific. If you're making a PDF, pick your preferred PDF driver. If you're sending to a physical plotter, select that exact device so the new size attaches to it. Now, click the Properties button next to the device name. In the Device Properties window, look for the section labeled Custom Paper Sizes, then click Add. This opens a wizard or dialog where you can define the size you need. Here's where you create and configure your custom size. Set the units first. If you're working in inches, enter 20 for one side and 30 for the other. If you're using millimeters, that's 508 by 762. Decide which value is width and which is height, based on the orientation you expect to use. For a tall sheet, set width to 20 and height to 30. For a wide sheet, flip those. The key is to match how you want the sheet to sit in the plot dialog later. Next, set the printable area borders. These margins define how close your content can get to the edges. Many printers can't print edge to edge, so use the device's minimum margins or the recommended defaults. If you're plotting to PDF, you can often set very small or zero margins, but make sure your final output device can handle that if you're planning to print the PDF later. Give your paper size a clear name, like 20x30 inches, then save or finish to create it. Close the Properties window to return to the plot dialog, and in the paper size list, select the custom size you just added. You should see the preview reflect the new dimensions, confirming everything is set, and that's all. You've created a reusable 20 by 30 paper size tied to that printer or plotter. If you switch devices, repeat these steps for the new one. Now you're ready to plot consistently at the exact size you need,